Fire. So good. Even if you're someone that doesn't like artichokes, you're like, I promise you, this is so fire. You'll see. I'm able to manage to take the skin off of the salmon perfectly like this. You see that? That's pretty awesome.
Just tell me already. Back like a level love. 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 Okay. I heard you like Sony. What makes sense?
Atlantic salmon is the preferred choice when it comes to the salmon that we use, because pink salmon, it just has a different taste. It's really not that great. The CoHo is a little more red. It does have a slightly different taste, but this one honestly is just more flavorful. I went ahead and cut off a slab of a whole 2.25 pounds. So this is just a little piece of it right here. Don't mind this. I made a video, I'll go ahead and link it, reviewing some chicken wings. So I'm just going to continue to use this, repurpose. We're not going to do all that. I did, however, I was able to manage to take the skin off of the salmon perfectly like this. You see that? That's pretty awesome. I don't really like the skin, but my husband does, so I am gonna leave it here on the side and, you know, just see what happens with it. But he likes it for roughage, so to help the food go down, stuff like that. Now today I'm gonna go ahead and just get the season up, make a couple sides with it. Nothing too crazy. The main thing that I like about salmon is that it has omega fatty acids. It's a great protein. You can eat a lot of it if you're looking to gain weight or even lose weight. It's really great. Seafood itself, but salmon, Atlantic salmon specifically, I'm really liking. I highly recommend. So let's go ahead and get the season up. My foil is already oiled up, and I use this from Winco. It's a non-stick butter flavored cooking spray, so that's what I have on the bottom. So honestly, when it comes to salmon, you really don't have to do too much. That's what I really like about it. I like that you put minimal seasonings on it, and it really is just the fish itself that tastes really good. So I'm going to be using a couple things. Just this from Great Value. It's a light tasting olive oil, and I'm also going to be using from GrillMates. This is the Montreal steak seasoning. It's so good on anything, but especially on fish. A dash of this GrillMates seasoning. This is a garlic butter seasoning. This is really good as well. I love GrillMates. And then I'm going to be topping it with this Better Goods authentic Italian artichoke and lemon pesto, made with artichokes, Italian cheese, and lemon zest. It's so good. Even if you're someone that doesn't like artichokes, you're like, I promise you, this is so fire. You'll see in a minute. But let's go ahead and get the season up. I'm considering putting this on it with, this is spicy chili crisp. I really want to. This has been my thing lately, but you know what? I might just make some noodles with this and just, you know, show you guys how I doctor up the noodles with this. 2 ingredient noodles. I tell you right now, I'm not gonna give away my secret in this video, okay? But I have the secret recipe to ramen noodles, and if you want it, make sure you like this video, okay? Also, before we get started, well, as I season, I'll let you know, I'm using the Cuisinart oven toaster, air fryer toaster situation. And if you don't know, this thing is so fire. It has a couple different settings on it. Hold on, let me fix my camera. So it has a couple different settings on it. As you see, I'm putting on my olive oil. Hold on, I think you might actually want to see this. Let me show you. This is olive oil. This is a little bit of that butter garlic. This is the Montreal steak, and with the Montreal steak, I am going to be pretty generous with it. I like it a lot, like a lot, making sure I super coat this thing. And yes, this does have salt in it. This is not a no salt seasoning. If you do want to see a video of some no salt seasonings that I recommend, of course, Mrs. Dash, but if you want to see, let me know and I got you on that. I am going to put this pesto on there. I'm going to use a fork to do it. Nothing too crazy, so I can smear it around. This is what it looks like in the inside. It's really good. And it does have like a slight lemony smell to it. It's nothing too crazy. So I'm gonna get like the scoop like this, put it on, and I'm gonna spread it nice and evenly, making sure that I don't really mess up the seasoning that's underneath it, but kind of just layer it, not all over like a crust, but just a coating, a light coating. So good. So like I was saying, as I'm doing this, I'll let you know about what I'm using. It's the Cuisinart toaster oven. It has the temperature and the timer. The functions, it has warm, broil with a fan on it, toast, bake, air fry, all different types of things on here, if you can see that. And then also like a little toast timer and stuff like that. That's how you make the toast. I burnt my toast the other day and I was kind of wondering why. But yeah, so. But yes, I really do like it. It makes things so nice and crispy. If you want like a barbecue type of flavor and feel to your food, like, I don't know. I just make so many things in this all the time. My husband and I, we both cook. And if you want to see more cooking videos, do subscribe because we definitely got you guys. But as you see, I'm letting that, you know, you see how I did that, okay? That look fire. That thing look good already, and it smells so good and delicious. It smells so good right now. So yeah, when it comes to this little piece back here, I'm just gonna leave it. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. And something else that you can do to this, you could add some veggies and stuff if you want to, but I don't think I'm gonna do that right now. Go ahead and put this in this air fryer oven situation. On air fry, well, let's put it on bake. I'm gonna put it on bake at 375, and I'm gonna do for about 17 minutes, and that should be perfect. I'll let you know what that looks like, and I'll have some sides and stuff too. So this is what we're working with at the final end. Doesn't that look beautiful? Oh, it looks so delicious. I know it is. No, I really don't want to cut it. I really don't. I'm gonna do it for you though, and that allows me to take a bite. Look at this. So nice. So golden, crispy, delicious. Beautiful. That looks so good. Taste it. Fire. Here's that skin piece. Hold on. That skin piece, it got nice and crunchy on us. It's like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pair it with these noodles that I have. I made a video, a little tutorial on a 2-ingredient noodles that'll change your life, so go ahead and check that out. But that's what I'm eating right now. Weight loss, weight gain, whatever you would like to do, whatever you want to call it. But salmon is really where it's at, okay? Once again, salmon, sir. Salmon, ma'am. That's where it's at.
We're not linking up, you just got the wires crossed. We're not linking up, you just got the wires crossed. Shorty, she be showing off, you know, and she like the flaws. She don't got